Okay, Jose, so let's say we need to get to Google Drive. I've opened up my internet. I'm going to be using Google Chrome as my browser. You might be using another one, but basically what you want to do is get to your Gmail account. That's probably the easiest way to do it. So I've opened up and I'm on this page. Yours could look different, but let's say we go to our Gmail. There's also another way to do it, but I'm going to do it this way because it might make more sense to you. So you go to your Gmail. And when you open up your Gmail, notice, and this you might see this appear sooner. When you see this box here with the dots, go down, click on it, look for Google Drive, okay? Now I found Google Drive, I've clicked on it. Now I'm going to find a document that's already stored there that I just did for the purpose of this demonstration. So I'm not seeing it on my list right now, but I know I just did it. So I'm going to go to Recent. Now, it's possible if you got a document from me, you might have to go to Shared with Me. Okay, but I'm going to go to Recent because I just did it. In another tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a document with Google Drive. I'm also going to show you how to, if you have something in Word, how to put it into Google Drive, but I'm going to do that separately. So I'm going to go find the sample I just put together to demo for you, and it's this one. And let's say you had a paper from a peer and you had to go through and you wanted to write some comments. So I'm going to be, for a minute, just be quiet and show you what I'm doing. Okay, now I'm going over to Insert. And that's probably the easiest way is just to look at the menu up above that says Insert. There's another way to do it where you can go over here. It says Comments, but I'm showing you the long way. So I want to insert a comment right here. So I'm going to Insert, and I'm going to click Comment. And I'm going to say, okay, and then I just click Comment. Yes, I want that comment there. Okay, now I'm going to keep reading. Now I'm going to insert another comment. And then I hit comment to save it, okay? Okay. I'm going to do another comment. And I click comment, okay? And then I'm going to do one more for you. Okay, now in this case, this was something I just wrote, and I need to share it with somebody else. If you go up here in the corner, notice it says private to only me. That is the default in Google Drive. So I'm going to be sending this, let's say, to you or to somebody in the class. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go share. And notice here it says a drop down. I can either select can edit, can comment, or view. If you select view, the person cannot insert comments like I just did. If you want the person just to comment and put those side comments in, you would select can comment. If you want the person to be able to actually write something inside the document, you would select this. Can edit is the highest level of giving somebody sharing permission. So let's say I go can comment, okay? And then I go done, okay? Now, I haven't shared it yet with the person. It's still locked, okay? You notice that? So what I need to do, I'm going back here again, can comment. I need to type in this case, I'm going to use your email. Notice your email's here. Those can comment, and I could write in a little message. Okay, I'm not going to send it to you right now because this is just the tutorial for you. But if I sent it to you, you would have this document and you would be able to also insert comments. I'm just going to go cancel for a minute here now, though. Okay, I'm going to go done. Okay, now before I do done, though, when we were putting in Google Community, somebody could actually click here. And notice it says only anybody with link can view. That's what some people in the class did not change. They'd have to really change it to can comment because I'm getting the link now. And I could highlight that link. I just copied it that way. And then in the Google Community, I would paste it. Now before, when I was showing it to you, I was going to email it. Okay, but when I wanted to put it in the Google Community and get the URL, I had to go back in here and actually change it. So I've copied that link, and I could obviously, it's in the clipboard now, I could put it in the Google Community. But again, this is just for the tutorial, so I'm not going to do that now. Okay, so basically what I've done is I've shown you if somebody sends you a document and you can't find it, when you go into Google Drive, let me go back there, try clicking Recent, because they do get listed in alphabetical order, or try Shared with Me. Okay, and it might pop up that way. And you'll notice right here, these are ones that people in our class have shared with me, so you can see their names here. Okay, again, I don't want to do too much in this tutorial. I don't want to confuse you any. So if somebody sent you a document, they might have emailed it to you, but you might have gotten it another way. Email's fine. It's a great way to get it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to this one. And what I'm actually going to do is email it to myself so I could show you how that's going to work, because I don't want to bother emailing it to you. So I'm going to go back in here, and I'm going to just email it to myself, just for demonstration purposes. Okay, now I'm going to go send. Now that's going to appear in my email, and I want to show you what it looks like. Okay, this is what just came to me, and so when I get into my email, it's going to say whatever the title of the document was, and it's going to say that I have an invitation to edit it. When I click on that on my email, notice this is the document, and if I clicked on it, it would open it up. So that's how somebody could send it to you in email. So if I click on that, you're going to see the document we're just looking at. Okay, I'm going to stop this tutorial because I don't want to do too much at once, but I'm going to do another one showing you how to create documents in Google Drive and how to set that up. So I'm going to stop this one right now and put it in YouTube for you.